This is the diamond from the Gems of, oh, hey. Happy birthday, Paradise. Hi, welcome to FiberLoveDiary. I'm Trisha if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back. I'm glad to see you. This is the channel where I document my journey in fiber arts. So it could be spinning, knitting, weaving, crocheting. It could be felting. It hasn't been yet, but it could be. It is August 2020, and guess what's here? I just got back from the yarn store where I bought yarn. So this is the Paradise Fiber subscription this month bag. Usually it's a box. They used a bag so they could fit a full 8 ounces of fiber in. It's their birthday month, August. I actually thought about this last month, you guys. So, better news if you're new. I give one of these away. They send me one to review on my channel, and I buy one to give away to one of you. So if you want to see who won the box from last month, just stay tuned to the end and I will pick a winner on this video and you'll see how that all works. If you want to enter to win one of these, all you have to do is comment on a video starting with this one up until the last one before I unbox September, and you're entered to win. So good luck, and I'm excited to open this, and let's do this. Okay, if you're ready, I am super ready. Okay, so I totally do not know what to expect. I know somebody who's on the West Coast because Paradise is closer to the West Coast and I'm in the Midwest. Someone on the West Coast said they got their bag and they weren't sure what they were gonna do with it, but I still have no idea what's in here. So, but I'm excited. And I love it when they send a bag. First, can we just take a moment to admire this cuteness? This has all stickers with Eunice the sheep that came from Paradise boxes. I only see one that I did not get, and it is this one. I think I have all the rest of these. But I really thought this was cute. They just like took a picture of all of them layered on top of each other, and I love it. So, you ready? I can feel there's another bag inside here. What? No wonder. Okay, so there is a little more in here. Okay, so this is a little thing about celebration of the 7-year anniversary. Discover the blends from boxes you may have missed and uncover a new love for combining contrasting fibers and textures into a project that is a burst of creative inspiration. So this is fibers that came in other boxes slash bags. Oh my gosh, I recognize a few favorites here. Holy cow. All right. So this is an explanation of everything that's in here. Oh. What? All right, I'm not sure how, I'm gonna go through all this if I can, but it's gonna take a minute. Okay, so there's a crazy, this says crazy art yarn tutorial. They always give you like a suggestion of what you can do with what comes in the box. So that's what this is, and it is, this says try Karen Goodson's crazy art yarn tutorial below for a truly unique yarn. So she's got, there's instructions on here. Okay, so I'm gonna go through these, but I'm gonna be kind of quick because it's a lot, right? Oh wait, also, oh, we got pomegranate raspberry. This was literally one of my most favorites, the stash tea. I love it. Oh, cute. And here is a Eunice like clear stitch marker. Oh, Oh my gosh, that is adorable. And a Leo sticker. I got Aries last time, and I am an Aries. I thought it was an accident, but it's no surprise that my astrological sign is a sheep, right? Hello. Okay, we're gonna do this, but we're gonna go kind of quick. So this is actually the Aries blend from the constellation range. I know a lot of these, luckily. I believe this is Orion. This is Aquarius, that's my husband. I think this is Phoenix. Yep, this is Phoenix. Taurus. Love. Libra. I have used this a lot. This is actually Galaxy, which I made a cowl out of last fall. I love this one. Oh my gosh, it's awesome. Oh, here's a little bit more Aries. Looks like I got 2 of those. Thanks, guys. Oh, a little bit more Phoenix. Okay. This is Tanzanite. It is, I'm not sure what month we got it, but I think it was last summer, maybe? This one's Virgo. Yes, I do know all these by heart. I actually am just coming up with them, but I know them. This one, I think is Leo. It's just a little itty bitty guy. But look how pretty. This is Libra again. This one is Lynx. This is Amethyst from the Gems of Paradise. I believe this one is Fluorite. This is Gemini. Look at that. I think this is the Rose Quartz. And you know what? I did not get some of this, but I'm kind of mad that I didn't just buy it. Look. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna move those and put these out. So I think this one is Amethyst, and so is that one. This one is Tawny Port. It is merino, silk, alpaca, and cashmere. I hope that is getting that. This one is Onyx from the Gems of Paradise. My favorite from the Gems of Paradise, the rose gold. It is very hard to see the rose in it, but it is so pretty. This is the diamond from the Gems of Paradise, and another fluorite, another tawny port. So they have these divided up so that you can do the art yarn with them. So this is a Yaktober. It's a blend of Tibetan yak and dyed merino. I don't think I got this. Wonder if there was a different choice, or maybe that was a month before I started. I don't know, but it's awesome. Okay, we've already seen this is Hydra from the constellation range. Now I don't know what this is. I think this is Venus from the space dyed ones that came with the Galaxy. I'm pretty sure this is Venus. Look at that. Woo, tie-dye is looking. So here is a couple of Anna from, I don't remember the month, but it was for Down syndrome awareness. One of their employees named Barbie picked the colors, and I literally just saw rolags made from this today. A friend of mine spun. This is the Barbie from that same box. This is dyed mohair. It's very red. Look at how gorgeous that is. Oh, there's another one in here. This color is just so, so, so pretty. And then this is the Living Coral Merino Pineapple Blend, which was one of my favorites that we ever got. I think it was last summer. Loved it. This came with the Galactic Blend. We got, like I showed you already, the Venus. This is the Saturn version. Makes sense. It's all like reds and purples, really pretty. And this one is Mars. I think I got Mars with my box. So here's the Mars. This one looks like it is Earth. Oh, look at it. I really like this one. That blue is really actually more purple, Trish. This is actually softer than I realized. Okay, and then this is Apricity and Primaveral, I guess, from it was a winter gradient set we got, which I am hoarding because I'm not sure what I want to do with it. I still have that box intact. So, look at this. Oh my God. It's like money in the bank. So, I know some of you are gonna be like, what do I do with this? And I totally get that. Yesterday, I posted a video using all kinds of odds and ends, and there are a few on my channel, to make rolags and spin them. So you can pick, if you do not feel comfortable with the art yarn, you can pick a few of these and add them like with a kind of a more neutral color, gray, white, black even, and make it into a bigger amount. But this is just like a great opportunity to really try out a whole bunch of things that you may have not had the opportunity to do and get super, super creative. So I love this. I actually really think a lot of us don't have this kind of stuff in our stash, these little odds and ends. You know, I have tons of it, but this is a great opportunity to try something like that. Or even just try getting like a couple of combs and blending. Look at all this fiber. And blending or spinning them straight together. I mean, you could just do so much with this, and this is a great opportunity. And also, guys, so I have another thought for you on this as well. This is one of the best things about this box. So there is a community on Ravelry. You can put in messages like, if you were like, hey, I love this box, but there's a few things that I don't think I want to keep. There will be someone else who's like, oh my gosh, that's my favorite, let me trade you. So last month, actually this is a long story, I'll make it short for you. There was one of my regular watchers, hi Phyllis, who got a color of sequins that she wasn't super jazzed about. The only color she doesn't like in the whole world is light pink, and this is the color she got. But I was like, I love the color I got, but I would be glad to trade with you if you don't like what you got. Everybody knows I like pink, right? So she sent me hers, and I sent her mine, and it's probably in the mail still because it just got out maybe 2 days ago. You can always find someone on that board that loves the thing that isn't to your taste and has something that is to your taste, and just swapsies. Remember elementary when you traded somebody your peanut butter sandwich for like their chocolate pudding? This is that situation. So never feel like if you get something and you're not like, oh, don't even worry, because you can trade it for something that you are like about. Okay, so last month there were 6 videos. I used random number generator to pick one. Then I grab a comment from that video. So it's video number 1. Okay, so I'm just gonna paste the link. Okay, Chris Hood, you win. Congratulations. To claim your box, all you have to do is email me at neverendingknitnight@gmail.com, your snail mail address, and I will get it out in the mail to you. So thanks, Paradise. I cannot wait to get creative with this box. This is in my wheelhouse. We were talking about sewing today at the yarn shop, and I was like, I'm not really sure. You're talking about something not in my wheelhouse. This right here, this is my wheelhouse. Thanks, guys. I love you guys. Bye.